How to add the app timers widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on Widgets, and from here, we then scroll down. Now tap on Digital Wellbeing, and then in here there are 4 different widget size that you could select: 2x1, 2x2, 4x1, and 4x2. So touch and hold on one of the widgets and drag it and drop it onto your home screen. After that, you can tap on this right here and then tap on add schedule. So you can give it a name. So let's say social. And then tap on select, tap to select an item. Here, select an app. So scroll down the list and select an app. And then after that, tap on done. Okay, here we will select a schedule. So from Monday to Friday, exclude Saturday and Sunday. Here you can change the time and then tap on saved. Okay, so during that period, you have 22 hours and 2 minutes left. So that is how you can use the app timer widget directly on your home screen. So in here, if you tap on it, you can quickly access your app timers. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.